Hello students, this is lecture number 3 of electrochemistry. In last lecture we have studied that is Kohlrausch law of independent migration and molar conductivity and degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte and measurement of conductivity. In this lecture we have studied that electrochemical cell electrochemical cell. Before that, we are recall the redox reaction. We are studied in 11th, that is redox reaction. What is the oxidation? What is redox reaction? And what is reduction? Oxidation is an loss of electron, and reduction is the gain of electron. Then X is losing his electron, and this electron is gained by Y. Then X is an oxidized and Y is an reducer. Then X is an X is the reducing agent and Y is the oxidizing agent. This is nothing but our redox reaction. If oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously is an our redox reaction. Then next point, what is electrochemical cell? Electrochemical cell is a device used to study the chemical reaction electrically, and it is known as electrochemical cell. Then what is electric conduction? Electric conduction is nothing but the movement of electrically charged particle through the transmission medium. Then is an electrolytic conductor. Then what is metallic conductor? Is the movement of electron through a metal with a no change in the metal and no movement of the metal ion. Then Then we have studied the electrochemistry, hmm, electrochemical cell. Then one is an anode and other is a cathode. I am writing right here anode in front of oxidation and cathode in front of reduction. Then always remember one thing is that on anode always on anode, that is we use a different type of electrode, but mostly we use the platinum electrode. If one electrode considered as anode and other electrode considered as cathode, and always anode is an oxidation and cathode is an reduction. In any electrochemical cell, now if we use the if you studied the electrolytic cell, then then there is also the oxidation on anode and reduction on a cathode. Then some common components is there. Like what is electrode? Conduct the electricity between the cell and surrounding. An electrolyte mixture of ion involved in the reaction or carrying a charge. Electrolyte is nothing but the mixture of iron, and salt bridge is then complete, which is complete our circuit. Then then electrochemical cell. There is a two types of electrochemical cell. One is an electrolytic cell, second is an Holtic cell or a galvanic cell. Then what is the electro? Electro is nothing but the electricity, and lysis is the breaking of our bond. Electro is an electricity, conduct the electricity or generate the electricity, and lysis is the breaking of our bond. Then we know the type of electrochemical cell. One is the electrolytic cell, another is an galvanic cell. Then type of electrochemical cell, in that In galvanic or a Holtic cell, the energy released from the spontaneous redox reaction and can be transformed into the electrical energy. And in electrolytic cell, electrical energy is used to drive a non-spontaneous redox reaction. A simple thing is here in in galvanic cell there is a spontaneous redox reaction, and electrolytic cell there is a non-spontaneous redox reaction occurs. If here is in electrolyte cell is a non-spontaneous redox reaction, so we apply the external circuit or apply the external energy to form the redox reaction. But in galvanic cell we do not apply any external energy to form the reaction, to form the redox reaction. The electrolytic cell, in electrolytic cell there is an E dot E which convert to C dot E, means electrical energy convert to the chemical energy is the process of electrolysis, and it is a non-spontaneous reaction. We already know that electrolytic cell is a non-spontaneous and galvanic cell is a spontaneous redox reaction. Then electrolytic cell is an in electrolytic cell there is an electrode, one is anode and one another is cathode. But previous all the years we are studied anode is always negative and cathode is always positive. But in this we change the concept. Change the concept. In electrolyte is anode is an positive electrolytic cell. Anode is always positive and cathode is always negative. But one thing is remember always is that anode is having an oxidation and cathode is having a reduction. But the anode sign is positive. Anode is always positive in electrolytic cell and cathode is a negative. I prove this. Then see here at the anode एनोड पे क्या होता है? एनोड the electrode at which oxidation occurs, that is as the electron are lost by some species, and and cathode is electrode at which reduction occurs, that is as the electrons are gained by some species. Anode and cathode may be positive or negative depending on the type of electrochemical cell. Anode, anode and cathode may be positive or negative. It always depends upon our type of electrochemical cell. If you change this if you study the next cell, there is a galvanic cell, there is anode is negative, and in galvanic cell anode is negative and cathode is positive. But in electrolytic cell anode is positive and cathode is negative. In electrolytic cell electrical energy convert to chemical energy and it is a non-spontaneous redox reaction. Then next point, consider the electrolyte solution A and C. Then A, consider this is and our electrolytic solution. This is an our electrolytic solution is made up of such a molecule having electrocovalent bond, that is ionic bond, means the complete transfer of electron. Then electrolytic cell, name of the solution is our C and A. Then ionization will happen, that is C plus and A minus. Then we use one battery here and that for that battery, the positive charge is connected with an anode and negative charge is connected with the cathode. Then if you start the batteries, if you start the battery, that means we supply the some energy to this to electrode. Then the energy of that electrolyte will, in this electrolyte there is an C and A. Name of that electrolyte is C and A, because of electrostatic force they are bound to each other, but you apply the energy to this, then the electrostatic force between C and A is loose. Then they this anode, there C and A is available always in the solution. Then we use the battery, that is negative terminal push the electrons, negative terminal push the electron. Therefore the rod is completely negative, as well as positive terminal sucking the electron. That's why the rod is completely positive, that is electron deficiency. But we have in the solution is C plus and A minus. Then A minus will attract to the electron deficiency electrode, that is anode. then then the electron then A will be loses his electron and loses his electron. ए का क्या होगा, वो खुद को क्या करेगा, जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो लूज करेगा और खुद क्या होगा, डिस्चार्ज होगा, मतलब ए डिस्चार्ज हो गया. सेम फॉर हियर, दिस लूज्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन will be gained by the cathode and C will be discharged. Same condition is studied in molten NaCl. Then what is a molten NaCl? Molten NaCl is the NaCl powder which is heated at a high temperature and which be converted into the liquid. We all know in solid state, solid is converted to liquid at a high temperature. Same condition is apply here. If you heat that NaCl powder, or then it convert to the liquid, then pure NaCl is formed. Pure NaCl is formed because of what? Why this process is formed? Because of solid, जो भी हमारा solid है, which do not conduct the any electricity, but the liquid which conduct the electricity. In solid there is an electrostatic force is strong, so ion तो मूव नहीं होंगे पूरे solution में. So the NaCl, so the NaCl powder is converted to the liquid, that is the molten NaCl or fused NaCl. Then next point, same condition here. One cathode is connected to the negative point of that battery, and positive anode is connected to the positive point of that battery. Then here as cathode, one is another is negative, here an electrolytic solution. Then we have studied about the molten NaCl. This is an molten NaCl. What it formed, what it happened in this, then we all know in electrolytic or molten NaCl there is a formation of ion. Which ions? There is an Na plus and Cl minus are move randomly in this solution, but we are all adding two electrode. One is anode and other is cathode. Anode is connected to the positive terminal of that battery and cathode is connected to the negative terminal of that battery. Then if you start the batteries, the Na plus and Cl minus will be attract to anode as well as cathode. Why? Because of this is non spontaneous reaction. नॉन स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन है, इसके लिए हमने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे बैटरी यूज की है. तो जैसे आप बैटरी स्टार्ट करोगे वैसे वैसे क्या होगा, Na प्लस एंड Cl माइनस का जो भी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स है, जो भी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स है वो क्या हो जाएगा, लूज हो जाएगा। लूज होने के बाद जो भी अट्रैक्शन, नेगेटिव चार्ज इज इजीली अट्रैक्ट टू द anode and Na plus that is easily attract to the cathode. Is easily attract to the cathode. Same Cl. कंसिडर करो यहाँ पे हमने Cl ले लिया है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास है Cl। तो Cl का क्या करेगा, क्या होगा यहाँ पे, Cl minus as well as Na plus. These ions are already present in this electrolyte, molten, that is molten in ACl. Then Cl, at if you starting the battery, then at that time um, Cl minus, that is anode क्या करेगा, at a negative terminal, sorry, anode at a positive terminal, sucking the electron from the platinum electrode. जो भी क्या क्या करेगा, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल क्या करेगा, सक करेगा कौन से इलेक्ट्रॉन को, इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द प्लेटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड, प्लेटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड के कैसे सक करेगा। बट यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे आ गए, बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट, क्लोरीन इज अट्रैक्ट टू दिस इलेक्ट्रोड। देन क्लोरीन क्या करेगा, अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा और खुद क्या करेगा, डिस्चार्ज होगा। और जो लूज किए हुए 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन से थ्रू द बैटरी विल बी gained will be gained by this, will be gained by this cathode, cathode, ठीक है। देन समझ पाए, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। क्या करेगा, Cl जो भी है वो क्या करेगा, एनोड की तरफ मूव होगा, मतलब पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ मूव होगा, उस खुद जाएगा और अपने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा और खुद ही डिस्चार्ज होगा। जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज किए हैं Cl ने, वो कौन अट्रैक्ट करेंगे, कैथोड अट्रैक्ट करेंगे। और जो कैथोड ने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अट्रैक्ट किए हुए हैं वो क्या करेंगे, Na प्लस लेगा और Na प्लस खुद क्या होगा, डिस्चार्ज होगा, दैट इज Na प्लस विच कन्वर्टेड टू Na प्लस Cl माइनस। देन वही मैंने यहाँ पे बताया क्या होता है, देखो सिंपल है। यहाँ पे क्या करेगा, जो भी निगेटिव चार्ज है थ्रो द प्लेटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड, हमने प्लेटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड यूज किया है, थ्रो द प्लेटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड दो ऑल द निगेटिव चार्ज विल बी सक्ड बाय द एनोड, ठीक है। देन द क्लोरीन विल बी अट्रैक्ट टू दिस एनोड एंड loses itself electron, and these two lose the electron are gained by the cathode. All of you understand, lose द इलेक्ट्रॉन, कहाँ पे लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन हो रहे हैं, एट दिस पॉइंट, दैट इज एनोड पे, एनोड पे लूज हो रहे इलेक्ट्रॉन, मतलब एनोड पे क्या हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन। वही जो लूज किए हुए 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हुए, 2 मतलब 2 कंसिडर नहीं, कंसिडर कर सकते हो आप, पहले एक क्लोरीन गया तो एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज किया, उसके बाद दूसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन गया तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज हो गए ना। आप कौन सा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन भी बोल सकते हो, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन भी बोल सकते हो, बट इस कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस फॉर्म होगी जब तक ये बैटरी स्टॉप नहीं की जाएगी, मतलब एक्सटर्नल सर्किट जब तक स्टॉप नहीं होगा, ठीक है, वैसे ही रिएक्शन चालू रहेगी। तो देन Cl माइनस क्या होगा, डिस्चार्ज ऑन दिस इलेक्ट्रोड एंड दोस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी गेन्ड बाय दिस कैथोड, मतलब एनोड पे क्या हो रहा है, लूजेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन, एंड एनोड, एनोड पे क्या हो रहा है, लूजेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन, एंड on this cathode gain of electron, that is reduction. Then Cl minus हमने क्या लिया है, aqueous, which converted to Cl2 gas by losing its 2 electron, and on the reduction, that is negative electrode, 2 Na plus plus 2 electron, which gives Na in the form of मेटल सोडियम, मतलब सॉलिड सोडियम मिला हमें। देन इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस ऑफ NaCl का क्या होगा, 2Na का सॉलिड मिला एज वेल एज क्लोरीन गैस। देन नेक्स्ट एनोड, एनोड पे क्या होता है ऑक्सीडेशन, वही पता है। देन क्लोरीन क्या करेगा, लूज करेगा अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन, वैसे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में और एक क्लोरीन ऐड होगा तो और दो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा, as well as chlorine gas will be evolved. Then at this cathode there is a reduction. Then by loosed electron by the chlorine, and sodium will be gained this electron, and the sodium is converted to metal. Then the net reaction, write down here. Then Cl minus, which gives Cl2 plus 2 electron minus. The next point 2Na plus 2 electron, which gives 2Na. Then remaining two electron gets cancelled. The remaining net reaction is 2Cl plus 2Na plus. These are in liquid, which converted in the form of product. That is, product में क्या मिला हमें, chlorine gas and sodium metal. But I am writing here something, that is PaO and NCr. What is this PaO and NCr? P मतलब positive anode oxidation in electrolytic cell, and in electrolytic cell NCr negative cathode reduction. PAO and NCr समझ में लेना, PAO and NCr शॉर्ट फॉर्म है हमारे पास, हमने तैयार किया है PAO and NCr, मतलब पॉजिटिव एनोड ऑक्सीडेशन एंड नेगेटिव कैथोड रिडक्शन in electrolytic cell. Same here. The result of electrolysis of molten NaCl, a pale green Cl2 gas is released at an anode. A pale green gas is released at an anode. A molten silver white sodium formed at an cathode. The decomposition of NaCl into the metallic sodium and Cl2. Then क्या मिला हमने, metallic sodium as well as Cl2 gas. Then next is an electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. हमने क्या किया था in previous point there is a molten NaCl, but in this इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस ऑफ एक्वियस NaCl. एक्वियस NaCl मतलब यहाँ पे वाटर यूज हो रहा है, सिर्फ वाटर यूज कर सकते हैं. वाटर इज एन नॉट एन गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. वो तो खुद अपना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट नहीं कर सकता, नहीं कंडक्ट नहीं कर सकता. तो फिर हमने क्या किया, NaCl के साथ उसे यूज किया. ठीक है. Then the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl with platinum electrode. See here, you have two electrode. There is a platinum electrode. One is connected to the positive terminal of that battery, and another is connected with the negative terminal of that battery. This is positive terminal is nothing but anode, and this is cathode. But in our electrolytic solution, there is an Na plus and Cl minus from sodium chloride, but H plus and OH minus from water. But we have see here one thing is that only chlorine ion are attract to the anode. Why OH minus ions are not attracted to this anode? How is it possible? And but see here, similar condition is happening on the cathode. There is H plus ions are attract, but Na plus ions are not attract to the cathode. Why? Only Cl minus and H plus ions. Here is a positive charge of Na. Here is an OH minus charge. then minus तो plus की तरफ attract होना चाहिए, but only Cl minus ही क्यों attract हो रहा है, only H plus ही क्यों attract हो रहा है? Because of there is an high electrode potential of Cl minus as compared to OH minus. OH minus का electrode potential is low as compared to Cl minus, and H plus का electrode potential is high as compared to Na plus. जिसका electrode potential high है in our electrochemical cell, that will be attract to our anode and a cathode. Then next point, there is a tendency to get reduced. जो ज़्यादा रिडक्शन करना चाहता है वो क्या होगा, अट्रैक्ट होगा. Then the tendency to get oxidized, there is an oxidation. There is aqueous NaCl, electrolysis of aqueous NaCl with platinum electrode. Na plus NaCl is converted to Na plus plus Cl minus, and H2O water is converted to the H plus plus OH minus ion. Anode is an oxidation positive PaO positive anode oxidation. At an anode there is oxidation of Cl minus, वहाँ पे कौन अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, एनोड पे Cl माइनस और OH माइनस, ऑन द कैथोड Na प्लस एंड H प्लस. बट हमने उसमें से कौन सा लिया, Cl माइनस पे अट्रैक्ट, ओनली Cl माइनस अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है एंड Na प्लस अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. देयर इज एन ओनली Cl minus and OH minus. Okay. There is an Cl minus and OH minus. Cl minus which convert to Cl2 plus 2 electron, as well as H plus plus 2 electron जो lose किए हुए electron by Cl वो कौन attract करा, H plus, and it's converted to H2 gas. Then we write ये कहाँ से आ गया, इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल हमें कहाँ से मिला, फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल से. यहाँ पे मैंने इलेक्ट्रो पोटेंशियल राइट भी किया है. इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल ऑफ क्लोरीन क्या लिखा है, 1.36 वोल्ट एंड हाइड्रोजन -0.83 वोल्ट. देन ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल कहाँ से, इन इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल निकालने के लिए फ्रॉम द बॉटम टू अब, ठीक है, जो हाँ नीचे से ऊपर जाना है, उसमें से किस, इन दोनों में से क्या देखना है, किसका, क्लोरीन एंड ऑक्सीडेंट, क्लोरीन एंड OH माइनस का किसका ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल है. कहाँ कैसे देखेंगे आप, नीचे से ऊपर जाएंगे, वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल क्लोरीन का ज़्यादा आता है, ऑक्सीजन का ज़्यादा आता है, किसका वो मेजर करेंगे. तो किसका ज़्यादा आ गया, हमें क्लोरीन का आ गया. इसके लिए क्या लिया हमने, क्लोरीन. ठीक है, जिसका ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ देम, ठीक है, फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ देम having high oxidation potential, that element should be preferred. Then similar condition for reduction, from any of them having high reduction potential, that element should be preferred, ठीक है, for cathode. ठीक है, बट हमने क्या किया था, जब ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल निकालने वाले थे तब नीचे से ऊपर कौन किसकी ज़्यादा वैल्यू आएगा ये देख रहे हैं. बट रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल से क्या देखने वाले हैं, ऊपर से नीचे देखने वाले हैं किसकी ज़्यादा वैल्यू आती है, वो क्या होगा, हमें उस एलिमेंट को क्या करेंगे, हम प्रेफर करेंगे. देन रिमेनिंग क्या बचा फिर हमारे पास, Na प्लस एंड OH माइनस. कहाँ से मिला हमें, फ्रॉम दी Na प्लस एंड Cl माइनस. देन result of electrolysis, result of electrolysis. H2 gas क्या करता है, liberated at a cathode, and Cl2 gas is released at an anode. Because of Na plus ion remains unreacted and OH minus ions are formed at the cathode. Then NaCl solution is converted to OH minus ions. Then quantitative aspects of electrolysis. Quantitative aspects of electrolysis. Calculate. We all know Coulomb is in C. मतलब हमें पता है कूलम का यूनिट क्या हमारे पास, C. स्मॉलर द यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज, or electricity defined as the amount of charge or electricity that passes at a given point. At a given point, the Q is a quantity of electricity and I is amount of current, T in time in second. हमें क्या निकालना है? Quantity, how much quantity of electricity is passed through that circuit at what time? Then Q is equal to I into T. I is an amount of current in ampere. Amount of current in ampere. Okay, and T is an time in a second. Then next, calculation of moles of electron pass. How much of electrons are pass? मतलब कि कितने बाय ऑक्सीडेशन कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन पास हो गए वो हमें स्टडी करना है. दैट इज टोटल चार्ज Q total charge is equal to Q into C. Charge of 1 mole of electron, which is equal to 96500 coulomb. It is nothing but the Faraday is denoted by F. Q is an charge, I is an current, T is an time. Is and our time. The quantity of electricity passed we know, that is QC is equal to I into T. Then 1 Faradays is equal to 96500 coulomb per mole. Then mole of electron actually pass, which is equal to Q by C, Q in Q divided by 96500 coulomb per mole of electrons. Then calculation of moles of product formed. How much of moles of the product are formed from the half balanced equation of half reaction indicates the number of moles of electron from half reaction. हाफ रिएक्शन नेट रिएक्शन में आपको आगे पढ़ाऊंगी कैसे. हाफ रिएक्शन आपको पता है कि हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है हाफ रिएक्शन सीयर. हाफ रिएक्शन दिखाती हूँ. ये क्या है हमारी हाफ रिएक्शन. ये भी क्या है हमारी हाफ रिएक्शन. From this reaction, from the balanced half reaction, number of moles of electron used and the number of moles of the product formed. From these, we can calculate the number of product from. कितना मोल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे हमने यूज किया है एंड कितना प्रोड्यूस हो गया है. फ्रॉम दीज थिंग्स वी कैन कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. Then number of moles of the product formed, which is equal to number of moles of electron actually passed into the mole ratio. But mole ratio, which is equal to moles of product formed in half reaction. How much amount of moles of the product are formed in half reaction divided by moles of electron required in half reaction. इतने moles of product form हो गया in half reaction as well as divided by कितना लगा है मतलब कितना required है moles of electron required in half reaction. For example मैंने लिया है Cu2 plus 2 electron which gives Cl. यहाँ पे क्या 1 mole of Cu मतलब क्या है मोल रेशियो हमें निकालना है. मोल रेशियो विच इज इक्वल टू 1 mole of Cu. 1 mole of Cu कैसे आ गया? Moles of the product form. Here, moles of the product form in half reaction. कितने moles of Cu form हो गए यहाँ पे? Only 1 mole of Cu form हो गए. Divided by moles of electron required in half reaction. That is 2 moles of electron. कितने required लगे हैं electrons? ठीक है, in half reaction that is 2 moles. Therefore 1 by 2 कितना आ गया? 0.5 moles of copper per mole of electron are required. Then next, that is calculation of mass of the product. हाउ मच मास, हमें वेट निकालना है. देन द मास ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट दैट इज W which is equal to moles of the product into the molar mass of the product. Moles of the product into the molar mass of the product. W क्या है हमारे पास? W is the mass of the product. मास निकालना है, उसके लिए क्या चाहिए हमें? मोल्स इनटू द मोलर मास. इन दैट फर्स्ट मोल्स ऑफ द सब्सटेंस प्रोड्यूस, कितने अमाउंट में सब्सटेंस प्रोड्यूस हो गया, उसके लिए क्या फॉर्मूला है? I इंटू टी डिवाइडेड बाय 96500 coulomb per mole of electron into the mole fraction. All we know the mole fraction formula. Mole fraction formula is what? Moles of the product formed in half reaction divided by moles of the electron required in half reaction. This is nothing but our mole ratios formula. Then put this in here. Then the mass of the substance produced. How much amount of mass of the substance produced, which is equal to I into T. मीन ब्रैकेट मैंने ए लिया है, आई इंटू टी मतलब यहाँ पे ए का मतलब क्या है? इन एम्पियर. एस का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? इन सेकेंड. डिवाइडेड बाय 96500 कूलम पर मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इंटू मोल रेशियो इंटू मोलर मास ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. ओके, यहाँ पे से by using this formula we can solve this numerical based on how much amount of product is formed in that something reaction are given to you. From this reaction we can calculate the moles of the substance produced and the mass of the substance produced at that electrolytic cell. Then where we now in this lecture what we have studied is that what is the electrochemical cell. Okay, electrochemical cell, electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell is the cell image electrical energy convert to chemical energy. Electrolytic cell is then spontaneous, non-spontaneous reaction, non-spontaneous redox reaction. In electrolytic cell there is an anode is always positive and cathode is always negative. Remember this thing always. That's why I am using that is POW and NCR. POW is positive anode oxidation. पॉजिटिव है, कौन है? एनोड है. एनोड पे क्या होता है? ऑक्सीडेशन. सेम थिंग एनसीआर. एनसीआर मतलब क्या है? नेगेटिव. सी स्टैंड फॉर कैथोड एंड आर नेगेटिव. एनसीआर कैथोड. आर मतलब आर इज एन रिडक्शन. देन molten NaCl, molten NaCl or fused NaCl. Then we use NaCl powder which are heating on the high temperature. This powder is converted to the liquid that is in electrolytic solution बन गया वो. From this electrolytic solution I use the battery because of what? This is a non-spontaneous reaction. So we apply the energy to form these reactions. From this reaction. Then next Cl माइनस वही है रिएक्शन, हाफ रिएक्शन पे से हमने पूरा ये नेट रिएक्शन लिख रहा. Cl हाँ मेन थिंग इन एक्वियस NaCl. कौन सा अट्रैक्ट होगा, कौन सा लेंगे हम, प्रेफर कौन सा करेंगे? क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि क्लोरीन ले या OH माइनस ले या Na प्लस ले या H प्लस. फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल जिसका ऑक्सीडाइजिंग पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा होगा वो लेंगे. फ्रॉम किसका रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा होगा उसे लेंगे. क्योंकि हमें आँख से तो इस इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल में कुछ दिखता नहीं, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल तो क्या क्लियर ही होगा. तो आपको पता है कि ये आयन ही अट्रैक्ट हो रहे, वही आयन अट्रैक्ट हो रहे. नो, वी डिडंट फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम बाय विजुअल आइज, बाय द आइज, बट फ्रॉम electrochemical series, we find found the which is which tends to get reduced, कौन ज़्यादा रिड्यूस करना चाहते हैं और कौन ज़्यादा ऑक्सीडाइज करना चाहते हैं, वही हम लेने वाले हैं। देन ठीक है क्या, तो फिर यही लेक्चर टुडे यहाँ पे हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 3 इज कंप्लीटेड हियर। एनी डाउट यू आस्क मी। ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री चैप्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, न्यूमेरिकल आर सो सिंपल इन दिस चैप्टर, न्यूमेरिकल बहुत ही सिंपल है इस चैप्टर में। सो रीड केयरफुली, लिसन केयरफुली। थैंक यू।